All right, welcome to a quick tutorial on how I'm using a data tracker for rubrics. This is a specific rubric that I shared on the group resource page. The numbers are a little different in comparison to what the actual goal example is on the bottom. This is a 0, 1, 2, 3, and the goal example that I gave was a 1, 2, 3, 4, which took the ceiling to 20 as opposed to 15. So just in case you're wondering about that. All right, so this is how I am tracking my data. I'm just coming into these boxes here that are aligned to the different criteria that's been created within the rubric. So this is the group skills and the 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are the scores, and I'm entering them in weekly or monthly, depending if you want to keep your data on the paper that's from the download. Just quickly, I want to show you that if you just had a lot of data and you didn't want to crunch the numbers in your head, even though it's quick computation, this is a quick way just to get the sum. And then if you're coming up for your report card, don't know why that didn't, there it is. It's a little bit slow. And then it's time for your first trimester, your first report card, and you want to calculate the average quickly. You're coming over and you're doing the average. So I'm going to say the baseline was 6 and the target score is 12. Let's see where they ended up. All right, 10.6. So they're well on their way and they made great progress. So the next part is about a visual representation, and we'll get to that in 1 second. I just want to quickly show you that I do leave a section for comments because sometimes things happen, especially I'm going to make sure to really put in some comments for times where we see major dips in a session, like why, what happened, what was going on, and issues right off the bus. That's a typical one for me in my world. Below are 2 graphs. I'm going to show you quickly how to make them. This one on the right side is the one that I'm going to use. It's just going to be a lot more straightforward, and this one on the left is a little bit more of a Frankenstein type of graph. I'm not sure if that's a great communication tool between parents, but it might be good for the team just to take a look at like what areas are working. So quickly, how to produce that totals graph. You're going to hold control and you're going to come over here and highlight the date. You're going to, oh, no, I'll try it again. We're going to hold control again. There we go. Now control, I'm going to hold the totals. And I'm going to insert a chart. It's not going to be the chart I want right away, so I'm going to have to get to the column chart. This can work. This can happen. There it is. Being a little slow today. And then I'm going to come right over to the columns chart. I'm going to go to customize series. I'm going to enter in a trend line, and I'm going to be able to show, look at us, we're making improvement. So hopefully that was helpful, and this gives you an idea on how to set up your tracker and how to manipulate it. If you come up with a better graph than what I've shown, please share it in the comments. Thank you.